I've got a rare antique Singer 66-4. Serial number is G0945947, which dates from July of 1924. It's from the last batch of G serial number model 66s. And what makes the 66 a -4 as opposed to the earlier version -1 is it's got the side clamping foot, so it gets to use all the common attachments for Singers. The base it's in and the hand crank are mine. It does have a boss. These do not come with the machine. It has a boss on the end so you can hook up a motor or a hand crank if you want. But basically it's a Treadle machine. And just show you while it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim that were already stitched once for photo in the ad. All other machines, Singers before this point, were rear clamp and foot on the 66s from about 1908 to early 1923. And there you can see it's got equal stitch on both sides.